Been staring at a blank page, so scared of the new age. I've been wondering lately, do I even feel myself? These days get so synthetic, don't wanna wake up and regret it. But if home is where the heart is, I could use a little more help. Oh, we were born to chase the sun. Let's go back to where we started from. We ain't got no time for digital love. Oh, we were born to chase the sun.
Good morning and welcome to Boracay. As you can see, we have palm trees, and if you turn around, there is definitely very blue water here. I can understand why this is a popular place. Very hot though, I must say, but nice to get out here after a morning of chilling a bit. Some breakfast in the hotel, some French toast and shakshuka and some eggs. But now it's time to get in some steps, even though I actually went for a run this morning. Just walking around, exploring a little bit here. Quite chill today. I think tomorrow we're gonna do either diving or island hopping. So today just exploring, walking along this world famous beach. So yeah, let's see what we can find. I'll take you guys around. So we're out walking on the beach here, and one guy is helping out in the background, very professional, despite his very young age, to take photos. Very service minded. Just gonna walk around here. It's a bit of an island outside, very bright. Normally wear sunglasses here, basically don't see anything to pick them up, so very nice. Walking around here, exploring. I think we're gonna be at a sunset cruise or sailing soon. I think it's a bit dangerous to be outside when it's this sun. It gets really burned, so gonna see where this photo taking goes and then go to the ocean. Okay, so now the sun is setting and it's looking pretty amazing. We're just chilling a bit, but we are waiting now before jumping on the boat for the sunset. I think that's in like 1 hour. Gonna be out 40 minutes, enjoying a bit, but this is not too bad either. Pretty relaxing first day here. Unfortunately, there was a bit of a change of plans. We were waiting, but didn't manage to get on a boat. At least we got the money back. I guess you gotta be flexible in this country. See if you do it tomorrow. Otherwise, it's gonna be some diving. At least gonna walk and enjoy this very beautiful sunset. But that was a bit of a disappointment, but could be worse. It's a pretty beautiful place after all, even looking from the beach, not being on the water. So no problem. So we're on the hunt for some seafood and ended up finding this night market here. A lot of stuff going on in the background. A lot of barbecue grill. Hope we can find some seafood and sit down and get some tasty grill food. No seafood so far, but we found some fruits here. Can get the mango and also a bit of the durian. It was amazing to explore the local food options. You never know when you find them again. Energizing a bit for tomorrow, and then we're gonna eat after this. We found some local food here. Some shrimp coming in. That is nice. Yeah, so that was a nice meal. We got the shrimp and also a bit of fish and a soup, and of course some rice. But now it's time to go back, explore a bit, see if we sit down and have a drink or something. But gonna just chill a bit here, get ready for tomorrow with the diving. So I think I'm gonna leave you guys here, show a little bit in the background. But it's been nice, first full day here. So if you want to see more, give it a like, subscribe. See you tomorrow.